What's going on, guys? Electro Gaming here, and today I will be doing a fishing haul video. I will be doing the video game upload tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, later tonight. I get home, so I'll be doing the Madden 17 video later. And yeah, let's go to my fishing stuff here. Got all this stuff right here now. Okay, so let's go through all of it now. Got some fishing line here. Don't really care about that. Got some of these little bodies like that. Little bodies for like panfish and stuff, you know. What else we got in here? Some beetle spins. Some of those little grub tails and some stuff. Cabela's, go to Cabela's, check them out. Go Walmart, Antiques, go. So let me just pull this stuff out as I go. We got that. Got some yellow beetle. Oh, sorry about that. I have my finger on the camera. Beetle spins. More beetle spins. I opened. I used some of them. Orange beetle spins. That's the red bodies. Small orange. That's for like beetles, for like panfish and stuff like that, you know. And here we got some other grub tails. Strike King. More tails like that for Strike King. More of these. More little single tails. We got these. Ribbit frogs. Baby ribbit things. These guys work pretty good. More beetle spins. And bodies like that. Alright, what else we got in this bag here now? So we also got it here, more Seaguar line, or line or whatever. Some more silver shad, stuff like that. More of these. Some of them. A lot of line. Showed you just a minute ago. More Seaguar line, 6 pounds. We got another beetle spin in here. Some of the orange ones. And we got these other tail things. So, oh, and we got one more thing. Got another beetle spin. It's orange and yellow. Okay, so now I'm gonna put that one there. That was the Cabela bag. Now on to the Walmart bag. First thing we got in here is these little crappy mini tails. Spider wire fluoro. More ribbit frogs. Oh, sorry. Some more rivets. More ribbit frogs. Some more ribbit frogs. We got a bunch of these things because they work pretty good. We got some of these Havoc brush hog things. These work pretty good. Some little grubs. More yum grubs, stuff like that. Got a lot of stuff in here now. We got some meat tails, jig heads. Got a bunch of spinners. Got some beetle bows. Haven't tried them yet, so hopefully they work good. Got a mini crappie crankbait here. 60 shad blue thing. Like that. What else we got here? Some more spinners. Another mini tail weird looking thing like that. More of the mini tail things. More mini tails. The Mackie tails. Not mini. Got these. More mini tails. More spinners. These yum grubs. One more sexy shad. Blue. Jig heads. More grubs for yum. More sexy shad, but they're pink. More grubs. Jig heads. More jig heads. Beetle bows. Twin Tail Grubs. Hold on there. I'm terrible at showing things like this. So, more Sexy Shad. More Mini Tails, shinies. More Sexy Shad Single Tails. And let's have these Salty Twin Tail Grub. And we got one more bag to go through, which is the Dixper. I have to move over here a little bit since I don't have room. Keep everything separated so I know. There's not much in this one. We got some Jawbone Mouse. Got a little cricket crankbait. We got some beetle spins here. More beetle spins. Beetle spins and grub tails. More beetle spins. Mini crankbait. And I don't know the name Saturday box. More of these grubs. Split shot weights. Another big Jawbone Mouse. Separated. Some P-line, 6-pound P-line, 4-pound P-line, Gamakatsu 4-aught hooks, some solid Bluetooth bodies, more beetle spins, another body tubing, beetle spins, 10-pound Seaguar line. And I believe that is it. Yes, it is. Okay, so that's going to be it for the video. Madden 17 video going later tonight or tomorrow. Not 100% sure, but Electro Gaming signing out. Peace.